I know nobody will listen to me. All you gotta do is stay away from six foods, right? Milk, cheese, butter from animals, sugar, meat, and alcohol. And then just follow the following. Everybody can be cured. Everybody can be healed very fast. But not everybody gonna try this. Look, I'm gonna give away the cure for all diseases. And look, they're gonna laugh it out and no one will follow. Watch. Go on a 56 days intermediate fast. You don't eat your first meal until 12. Eat one meal a day, snack in the evening with fruits. Cheat with fruits. So if you eat before 12, it's only fruits. Remember, you start eating at 6 and you end eating at 6. Close down the stomach with the closing of the setting of the sun, and you start at the rising of the sun. The ancient did it. Yes, your body will use up all the reserve fats. They call them adipose, and then your body will start going to a strength of your endocrine system and also your lymphatic system, which is really called your immune system, and your body will naturally fight all diseases. Mucus will start draining from your body. Your colon will start cleaning itself. But who will follow? I know this is just an entertainment purpose, right? You all take entertainment as entertainment even when it's not entertainment. Take this one. It's for someone.